Innovation for tomorrow. Innovate tomorrow with Grace Global. Hello Dubai holding team. I'm Pierre van der Merwe, founder and CEO of Grace Global South Africa, a patent-backed circular biotech company turning agricultural waste into high-value, unique wellness ingredients. Every year, millions of fruit waste, especially citrus linatus or watermelon, are discarded. Dehydrated seeds are nutrition dense, yet mostly go to the landfill. Our patented zero waste, zero water extraction and fermentation process transformed that biomass into a bioactive skincare and nutritional ingredients rich in L-citrulline, NAD+, Oryzum growth factor. This process is protected by international patent under PCT. With the bioholding support, we aim to pilot this process in the UAE. In the UAE's hospitality sector, converting hotel and especially watermelon waste into luxury skincare amenities under our brand Vitagrace. Our mission is simple: zero waste, zero water, 100% impact. Thank you.